Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. In this video we will be comparing Duke 200 and Duke 125. So for your information, the 200cc Duke I am reviewing is BS4. Actually I didn't take these bikes from any showroom or anything. A friend of mine recently bought a Duke 125, which makes the total number of Duke in our club 3. So I thought I will make a video comparing these two bikes like 125 and 200 because many people are confused between these two. So we basically will be looking at the style, the display, the sound, the riding comparison and a 100-meter race with these two bikes. So what you are seeing is the headlamp of Duke 125. So the major difference between 200 and 125 is for a 125cc bike, the outline of the headlamp is black in color, and whereas the 200cc has orange color. Even the BS6 has orange color around the headlamps. What you're seeing in this video is the 200cc. As you can see, there is orange border like for the headlamps. This is the display of Duke 125. The main difference is when you are switching on the key itself, the display will get switched on. Then it says to switch on the kill switch. Whereas in 200cc Duke, straight away switching on the key will not switch on the display. You have to switch on the kill switch also to get the display switched on. Like right now, just the key is switched on. The display is not coming. You have to switch on the kill switch to switch on the display. This is the idling sound of Duke 125. So now let's have a look on the sound of Duke 200. Now let us take a ride on Duke 200. Actually Duke 200 is a very nice bike, very comfortable one for having a ride. Actually there are two persons sitting in this bike.
We're missing a Divandy.
And now it is 125. Actually my friend is driving too. He's telling like compared to 200 there is a missing of power. Especially when there are two people sitting in the bike, but once it catches the momentum or a speed, the power is okay.
125.
So we took 200-meter tests. You can just judge by yourself the timing and all over this race because it is only just a rough test of the bike. So that's it, the comparison video of these two. Like a rough comparison I made about Duke 200 and 125. If you have any queries, if you want to know more of anything about this bike, you can just put down a comment in the comment box. I will make another video. So thank you all for watching. Keep subscribed. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Thank you so much.